every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another live session with Stock Sniper Trading. Guys, we had to start a little bit later today. Had a little bit of a issue in the morning. Okay, taken care of. Everything's grande. Good to go. Okay, guys, current time is we have 5 minutes till 8 a.m. Okay, so my goal for this is to just go over this quickly. All right, guys, we're not a buy or sell channel here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. All right, any trades taken upon yourself. We're not financial advisors. Okay, that's key thing is, guys, we're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. All right, based on top-down analysis leading into the 5-minute time frame. Okay. Also, guys, make sure to check the link in the description box if you guys have a broker. I'm sure most of you do. Okay, but if you want to check out a more digital broker, check out HankoTrade. Okay, you can check out one of their demo accounts, open it up, see if it makes sense to join. All right. Like I said, guys, we have 5 minutes until 8 a.m. First 5 minutes of the 8 a.m. hourly candle, anyways. We just kind of watch, wait, and see. So let's get down to some business here. Let's do a top down. All right. You can see we are in some nice still consolidation. Daily demand is not changed since yesterday, and that was a stutter on demand, guys. All right, let's get some supply here. Okay, looking good. How's everyone's morning going so far? All right, everyone having a good morning. I'm sure probably a lot of people traded London, saw some big moves. Okay, this week is a little different than most weeks, guys. It's not high impact news just because it's post NFP. All right, guys, so you can see right here I see some daily support level. Okay, we just have to edit that quick bar. Let's go to daily support now. All right. Also, guys, we need to find daily resistance. You can see we're approaching it right now, coming from the preceding bullish candle open. Okay, so daily resistance. Perfect. Okay, let's take a peek now at the 4-hour. Has anyone been trading gold this morning? Everyone watch what it's been doing. Still a nice little steady uptrend here, making lows, making a little higher. We're going to see if we can get that big break here, guys, coming in at the daily at roughly 1853. Okay, so with that being said, I do see some 4-hour support. All right. And then I see some 4-hour resistance coming into this general area right there. We have a long wick, which is giving us a push down and preceding structure. Okay, so then we have 4-hour resistance. Okay, let's just update this real quick. Okay, and then we're going to drop to the hourly, guys. Okay, look at this, guys. This is why, if you understand, I started a bit late today. I noticed this kind of choppy action here. Okay, you can see push-pull movement. We are making some highs with the wick, okay, and price from this general area has started to bounce and start to make highs. So to continue in the trend, guys, we need to get up around that 1853, 1854 area, okay. So that will be a bullish target. Okay, you can see if we do tend to break down here, the 4-hour support, we have a target of potentially getting down to that 1841. Okay, so 1853, 1855, 1840, 1841 will be our bullish and bearish targets on the higher time frame. Okay, so let's drop now down to the 30-minute. Okay, sometimes gold does this to us, guys. It plays the dirty. All right, and a lot of people get caught in it. All right, so you have to recommend. I have to recommend to watch on higher time frames always. Okay, so we have some 30-minute support. Always higher time frame to get the trend and to see what kind of structure we're in. You have an engulfing candlestick right here, okay, that's bouncing off support. Okay, so 30-minute support level right under the preceding wick. Okay, so 30-minute support. All right, next guys, what I'm looking to do is drop to the 15 here. Okay, getting ready to rock. You see we have two indecision candles right here. The one candle that we currently on right now, wait, a little wick is a little lower close than the preceding one. Okay, so this will be an interesting move coming in. This is also a double bottom here. Okay, so bottom, bottom, you know, finding neckline support around the 30-minute, and we're going to now drop to the 15 and see what kind of structure level we're looking at there. Okay, so one more 15 here. Sorry guys, we were already on the 15, my bad. So we have some resistance here coming on that wick, and then I'm looking to find that 15-minute support, which is the big bullish candlestick down there. Okay, when we drop to 5, we'll gather some more. There's a big move here that happened on this current candle. Okay, you can see we went from roughly 48 all the way up to 50, almost a 20 pip move, depending 15-20 pips depending on spreading commission. All right, so did anyone trade gold this morning? You can see it's still looking pretty bullish at this time. Okay, got a lot of momentum indicating that price can push to the upside. All right, but again, you can see the new hourly candle getting a lot of current resistance near the 4-hour. Okay, hourly candle is about to open up in about roughly under 20 seconds. Okay, so let's just watch and see here. See some nice 5-minute support. All right, and now we're going to watch, see what kind of trend we can break. If not, we're going to continue in the overall bullish trend. Remember, higher time frame guys, we have some bullish engulfing candle. Okay, so you can see we broke above here, retested the 4-hour, and we're starting to get a nice little break above. Okay, coming near the 15-minute resistance guys, and I've told you if we pop up daily resistance, we could be a next potential target here. Okay, you can see that's where the previous resistance sent this candle, one of the most bearish candlesticks on the overall chart. So we're going to see if we're going to close at the 15-minute. No guys, we just popped. Okay, so nice trend continuation. All right, you can see this is the first 5-minute candle of 8 a.m. all right, so nice bullish move here. We got to wait for the next candle to see if it'll go in terms of a pullback. Okay, 3 bullish bars. Okay, this is a very bullish candlestick right here. Price dropped, held it above the 4-hour, and now we're walking into potentially a bull trap if sellers want to hammer this back down. Okay, if not, they're going to hold above the 15-minute resistance here. Okay, so let's just watch and see. With that being said, guys, I'm also going to head over into our GU. Okay, so I'm just going to leave. I'm going to do a 50% preceding. Okay, add an alert right here. And then I'm going to gather one at that big wick. This wick has bounced and produced a high. Okay, so if we're breaking this 52 area, it's starting to push to the upside. Okay, we'll watch, maybe see how this candlestick plays out. And then we'll head over and do GBP USD too. Okay, so nice rejection coming in at the 15. Let's take one quick peek at the DXY, guys. Yeah, I just want to see DXY first. Okay, you can see we're pushing right back in. RSI, guys, you can see we are above that 50 line. Okay, and you can see the 9 and the 200 are about to appear right now. Look at this choppy action right here, guys. Big bush. Okay, engulfing. You can see the trend line is just hovering similar around the 9. Okay, so let's just erase the 9 here because we do have that trend, and we're going to see how this is going to close on the first 5-minute. Okay, Okay, guys, so nice coming in here. Nice indecision. All right, let's watch and see here. We've got about a minute left. It's going to look pretty good, guys, if we can get a close below the 4 hour, okay? Or if we can get a close above the 15. All right, 15-minute resistance, 4 hour resistance. Okay, so coming in here just under a minute, guys, you can see it's retesting now, breaking, retesting. Two very similar candles here, okay, with nice resistance pushing down. So let's take a peek at GU, guys. Okay, right around that 200 EMA. So I don't really care right now about the 5 minute. I'm looking more at the higher time frame. Okay, also another consolidation area. Okay, you can see on higher time frames. This is what you want to definitely trade away from. Okay, shy away from this kind of movement here till we get maybe a nice little bit better indication of a trend, which will be determined by a little bit of news, which we don't have too much today, guys. All right. Okay, I see some daily support. Okay, and then I see my daily resistance coming at the double top rejection here coming out of supply. Okay, drop down to the 4 hour. Okay, very similar to gold, waving in and out, guys. Nice long bottom wick here on GU. Okay, let's just update this accordingly. Okay, daily, and then you can see daily is right at the overall 200. So I'm just going to quickly erase this just while we do our top down. Okay, so we have now 4 hour support. Hey, I see a nice 4 hour resistance level coming in too. Okay, looking for price to possibly continue out of the downtrend. Hold one of these areas at support. If not, guys, this is going to fluctuate, push right back down and get to the 4 hour. Okay, so let's drop to the hourly now. All right, looking pretty good here. Now we're about to dive into this nice price we have. Okay, so hourly support. Okay, and then hourly resistance is coming right above. And we're looking to drop to the 30. Okay, looking juicy down here. Okay, and then we're going to drop to the 15 now. There we go, guys. All right, coffee's kicking in here. Getting a little bit more momentum now for me as well. Okay, you can see nice retracement coming in from the 4 hour. All right, we're pushing right back down to probably this retest right here on GU. Okay, I don't see too much 15-minute here. We're kind of like pretty safe. All right, I do see a 15-minute support level. Okay. All right, let's take a peek now at the 5. Okay, 5-minute support, looking good so far. Okay, and then we have 5-minute resistance coming in on the current wick right here. Okay. All right, looking good, guys. So we'll monitor this now. Nice little downtrend forming on GU. Okay, let's see what we're looking at in the next little bit. Okay, so I see some nice bullish action so far. Okay, we have the retracement pushing down. If we break this 5-minute here, you can see we need to break this level of overall momentum that's been pushing up for the last little bit. Okay. All right. One sec, guys. Okay, guys, so you can see that we're holding above that 1851 4-hour resistance, turning into 4-hour support. Okay. Okay, just under 5 minutes now, guys. Current 8:10 candle. So this is the first 5-minute candle starting to push now. Okay, you can see it turned bearish here, started to flip. Now we're testing that overall trend coming in, looking to fill this bottom wick right here. Okay, let's watch and see how far we're going to get, if we're going to get that far at all. We got just under 4 minutes and 30 seconds here. Okay, we'll take a look at GU2. Okay, so GU is still selling off probably to that hourly support. Okay, so setting an alarm right here, just in case we flip go bull. All right, and then I'm watching this key level right here at the 1-hour support. All right. So if we start to bounce, guys, getting some push, I'm looking for the 5-minute resistance. Okay, continuation here. Right, retest, and we're going to look for maybe a bullish move if it starts to get up above this 5-minute here. Okay, sorry guys, let me just change this. Don't like the way this arrow looks. Okay, one sec, head over. Good. Okay, so then we'll set both alarms here. Let's take a look at gold. Okay, nice retracement here. Okay, just tapping above that 15-minute resistance, pushing back down, filling this wick right here. Okay, we have a nice little demand area right here, just starting to break that 5-minute trend. Okay, so if we break this, guys, it's going to continue in the downtrend, possibly back down to the 30-minute support near 47. If not, they're going to pick up some liquidity here and push this thing right back up. Okay, but we'll watch and see on both directions. Okay, and the move for gold, looking at around an 1852 break. Okay, remember we talked about 1852 getting to about 1855. You can see the move is not there just yet. Okay, we have some nice cool off period. All right, if now price starts to break below here, all right, you can see we have to get through this general area of support, which is possible. So we might get a little bit of bounce, and then if it breaks through, we're looking at coming down to the 30-minute. Okay. Okay, remember gold has been choppy as hell today. Okay. So it's important to realize the overall higher time frame setups. Okay, they lead to lower time frame moves. Okay. All right, so if we get the break below here, guys, it's coming up to it pretty nice. Indices are starting to push currently. Okay, just under a minute. GU has not gone off yet, guys. At about 8:15, 8:16, we're going to take a look at US 30 or NASDAQ. Put in the chat, guys, what you want to see. US 30 NAS doesn't really make a difference to me. We're not doing GJ, guys. There's a lot of people asking about GJ. All right. Plenty of other streamers who do that. You know, not many people do GU. I've noticed that. You know, a lot of people, they do GJ Gold, two very volatile pairs. I like GU, guys. It's nice. It's chill. All right. It can have big moves, but again, all right. Okay, we got a lot of nasty lovers here. US 30. We'll do both today, guys. We just got to pump up the likes. You know how it is. All right. Let's see what we got here, guys, so far. 8:14. You know, I was going to take today off, guys, but I came back. 85 likes, guys. Could you guys pump it to at least 200? You know, it would help me out in the stream here. It's looking pretty good so far. We've done almost, this is the, you know, the third stream this week. Yesterday was very big. Okay. So we'll see if we're going to continue that overall momentum. All right. So guys, give it about 2 minutes here. Halfway through this current candlestick, we will start to head over and do NASDAQ. Okay, we'll give NASDAQ some love here. We know yesterday we traded US 30. If you remember, we had that nice little short-term sell-off. Okay, and it had its continuation prior to New York, and then it just took off and blasted. Okay, so interesting. Just setting up the overall move, guys. This is nothing changed. Just kind of make it a little bit identical to where the overall structural patterns have been before. All right. One sec, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Barry, it's both. Sometimes I'll pause it, and then sometimes the Discord will be the go-to. Okay. Let's take a look at NASDAQ now, guys. I'm getting a little itchy. I want to trade my nasty here. Guys, pump the likes if you want to see NASDAQ here. I want to see these likes. Nasty is selling, guys, after the big move from yesterday. This thing could sell off right down to 12,650. Okay, 183 likes, guys. That's good. Starting to get the stream going here. Pump it to 200. Much love to you guys. So wanted to just give a shout out to everyone who has been doing this from day one. All right, I got a lot of people here who are too. Look at the shitty situation we're in on all three, guys. Gold, NASDAQ, and GU. Look at this. Another consolidation move here. This could be a potential flag pattern. There's not really a long flagpole here, but again, you can see the demand has been strong. All right. Let's take a peek now at the supply area. Okay, looking at previous structure, making a nice little red zone here on the daily. Okay, what I'm looking for now is, look at this plus sign right here. This is an indecision candle, guys. This is an indecision candle here on NASDAQ. All right, so what I'm looking at doing is definitely finding this daily support right here. It's a little bit more, holds a little more weight with the type of candle that's formed. Okay, you can see now the resistance, guys. I'm just going to use the same wick. All right, some people might do it differently. I'm just looking at trapping this candle right here. Okay, so let's take a peek now at the 4 hour. Looks like a flag pattern here so far. Here's your bullish engulfing candlestick out of demand. Here's your flag, guys. It's also forming a lot of top wick. If we break this daily and this 4 hour resistance here, which I'm about to mark right now, this thing is going to go pretty bullish, guys, at least to filling that top wick at 12,807. That's a big move. Okay, but again, you can see NASDAQ has had big moves since yesterday. Okay, 1 second here. Let's just kind of see how this candle is going. GU is kind of flipping, guys, holding both bearish on that trend. Okay, gold is still getting resistance at that 4 hour. Okay, so let's just maybe move that over here real quick. Let's take a peek now at the hourly. Okay, nice hourly resistance here. NASDAQ is picking up. All right, let's see 1 hour support. Okay, gonna move that. Definitely right over here, guys, looking to trap this candle. Okay, that'll be once resistance here, now acting as support on the 1 hour. Right, now looking to get my hourly resistance, which is pretty straightforward, this rejection up here. Okay, nice trend here, guys, on the hourly. Okay, you can see we're starting to hold nice movement. All right, if it starts to break down, you still fill these wicks. If it holds in the bullish movement, you can see this long wick up here can be filled. We're breaking 4 hour and hourly. Okay, so this is going to be big moves, guys. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Gold is just tapping that overall demand zone, guys. We're almost finished up here, so we'll just finish this so we can get back. Okay, 30 and support. Okay, let's take a look at the 15. Okay, nice trend here on the 15 minutes, guys. So if we start to break that, price is going to start to fall. If not, we're going to hold that momentum and start to push. Okay. All right, on the 5-minute on gold, guys, it's on the 30-minute support level, which is a short-term demand zone. Okay, there's a little bit of a neckline coming near the high at 1852, so watch and monitor both areas. Okay, let's take a look at the 5. And we're going to work right here. Okay. So if NASDAQ wants to break, okay, a little bit of a short position down here. Okay, you can see nice potential sell-off. All right, we need to break this trend, okay, and then break this overall structure down here for maybe the overall continued move. Okay, if we start to break above here, okay, this is the resistance 4 hour. You can see nice momentum pushing down. Okay, looking for a retest, and then we're going to push to the upside. Okay, so me on the 5, you know I like to trap and gap this thing. Okay, and now we're going to set alarms. On both directions here. Okay, there's GU, guys. I think it's shorting it. All right, same with gold. Let's take a peek at GBP. Okay, GU is breaking, guys. Okay, so if we break this hourly support, okay, this is the critical area right here. Okay, so this is what I'm watching. All right, you can see we broke through with force. Okay, now we can sell through with some more. Let's watch and see how this is going to get a retracement down. Okay. Let's see. Gold is breaking it too, starting to, guys. All right, let's watch and see if we can get a retest here. There it is. There's the jump. Okay, guys, strong momentum right here. Okay, there's NASDAQ, one sec. Take a peek, guys. Gold dumping, GU dumping. Okay, I'm running about 5 pips on the GU sell right now. Gold just had a massive dump too, guys. Broke down to the 30-minute support. Okay, big sell off here, guys. It's running about almost 10 pips. Taps here, it's 10. Okay. Gold is also breaking heavy demand. Okay, picking up some buyers now. You can see by the momentum of the candle here, we're looking to tap 15. If not, you can see the momentum has held previously to this same level. Okay, so secure some of your partials, guys. Start to take some off the table. All right. Okay, so 4 minutes here. Still looking good, guys. Okay, NASDAQ is selling too. Okay, watching for the target to hit here just before. Okay, just coming into the just under 4 minutes now. Everything, there we go, guys. Nice continuation here. Beautiful sells. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. That thing's running about 15 pips. Okay, secure some now, guys. Coming back down to the daily. All right, this is a nice move here. I'm going to swipe 90% of this, which is 0.9. I did a standard, so collecting 95 and leaving $1, which is a 10 pip runner. Okay. Overall target is coming down right here. We already have an alarm, but we're going to set another one. Okay. See if we can get that nice little push. All right, let's watch this now. Go take a peek at gold. Okay, gold, massive dump, guys, from that 30-minute. You can see, as soon as it tapped up here, broke that 1849 point, roughly 1850 area, and you can see it's still dumping off huge. So following this overall trade, the pathway, you can see anywhere break up here was the push. This is starting to fall back down, guys. So if we break this 18, roughly 44, we're coming back down. Remember the 1841 here? Okay, so let's watch and see. 1844, do some psychological numbers here. Okay, so let's watch and see here now. We're starting to close above that 4-hour support. Guys, so if we break this 18, you can see nice bearish movement here. So if we start to get below this 1846 mark, remember we can start to get definitely down to at least that 1841. Okay. Okay, so we'll monitor gold here. Okay, let's take a peek at GU2. 1 second here, let me just check that. GU's dropping another leg. Okay, beautiful guys. It just tapped that daily here. Okay, starting to dump. It's running about 15 pips. Okay, almost 17 from the overall top. Okay, so that's a nice move, guys. This is one of my favorite pairs to trade. Let's watch and see now if we can get a little bit more, or if price wants to have that nice little reversal here. Okay, so monitor this. You can see the daily support is holding. Let's take a peek at gold too. Starting to pick up that liquidity here. Okay, big movement, guys. You're going to have a cool off period now. Okay, so if you guys got in, this would be, I'm not going to put a full thing on here. We're watching GU. Okay, but if you guys got the full short position breaking below that 30-minute, you can see that move was a nice continued trend. Okay, big dump off. All right. Now, we weren't watching this, but we had an arrow there. So, I'm not claiming that we called this, but again, it was the break of structure. Okay, that what I'm starting to show you here. The structural break led to the big candlestick dump. You can see it's a nice M pattern here, continuation fall. All right. So let's just watch and see how price is going to react on the next couple candles. All right. Haven't really looked at NASDAQ yet either. Okay, we probably should be. Just to keep you in the loop, you can see NASDAQ is dumping off from that hourly support, coming right back down here. Perfect play. Let me take a look, guys. I don't know. I haven't seen that one. There's the sell. I'll show you guys where I'm running from on the sell and NAS. There it is, guys. Nice continued motion here. Okay, check the free FX group, guys. I've been in from the top of this bad boy. Nice consolidation break. I'm going to close my profit on this, and I'll send the group a message. Okay, check out the free FX group. That was the dump on the hourly support, guys. I told you at 12,668 to sell. Right below here, you can see it's still continuing to dump. All right. Took a little bit of time here, but the consolidation trap and gap had the overall continuation. Okay, let me check it, guys. Okay, see what you mean here. Let me just edit that. I'm going to message the mods to be a little bit careful. One sec, guys. Okay guys, so you can see nothing has broke level here. It's holding that 18 roughly 45, 1846 mark. Okay, you can see in and around this area right here. So price wick down, started to push back up. Okay, you can see it closed higher than this preceding wick. So let's just watch and see how price is going to fall, or if we're going to start to get that nice engulfing movement starting to push back up again. Okay. Okay, so remember the 4-hour engulfing candlestick. Let's check with the RSI now. You can see it is below here, guys. It's below the 50. All right. So we have to get a continued push, guys, to pump gold back up. Okay, we need to start to break this level right here. As soon as that starts to break, you can see we're probably going to break that 30-minute support, which was the overall dump continuation. Okay, and then that's what price is going to lead us back up to possibly that daily. Okay. Take a peek at GU now. Give a little bit of love to everything today. Okay, you can see the GU is picking up that nice liquidity here. It's in that daily support level. Okay, so buyers have been around. All right. That 15-minute now resistance is acting pretty strong. All right. If we look at the 15-minute now on GU, okay, if we break this daily support level, there's only a little bit of a wick at the low to hold it. Okay, if we break that, guys, we're coming to that lower level support. This is a huge engulfing candlestick, guys, breaking through all previous structure. So, you know, this thing it's potentially continuing bearish on this overall move. Okay. And what I mean potentially is we need to break this daily here to continue. All right. Okay, NASDAQ has picked up some liquidity here. Okay, so right at that key area, gold has picked up liquidity too. You can see it starting to push. Okay, so that 15-minute support level, they pushed it right back up there. Okay, let's now watch NASDAQ here. Okay, so just as far as it dropped, it's pushing right back up. So now we're coming to that key level of resistance, guys. Okay, this is a critical point right here, the 30-minute support, and you can see the resistance level is going to act here because the preceding structure to the left. Okay, breaking that trend. Let's see, just erase this. It's already been broken. What do you guys want to focus on for the next 20 minutes here? What do you guys think you want to focus on? Let me know. There's no news today, guys. There's really no news. All right. We can focus on gold. We have two setups potentially on gold for both buy and sells ready to go in the Discord. Okay. All right. You can see NASDAQ play has turned out. GU's looking good. We'll do US 30, guys. Little to market open here. We need 300 likes before. So if you guys do want US 30, please smash the like button. All right. There's you guys when we talked about that daily liquidity pick. Okay, price is starting to push back up now. It broke the 15-minute. So let's just watch and see how momentum is going to hold, if we're going to get a continuation or if price is going to start to reject. All right. Okay, 18 seconds. Let's watch how gold closes here. We're just going to flip back to gold. right back to 1850, guys. Psychological number. Okay, shooting through that overall sell. Okay, so the nice impulse sell dropped. Okay, now you can have a nice little pop here. Okay, NASDAQ is picking back up. All right. Gold has just retraced fully from that overall sell. And now we're right back in the overall consolidation mark. GU is going to retrace to the hourly support, guys. Okay, so key area right here, guys, on gold. You can see I like this engulfing candlestick. Okay, let's take a look at the hourly. Everything is starting to push back up. Hourly strong wick here on gold, guys. Okay, so we got to keep that in mind when we're trading. Eventually, gold might retrace and sell back off. Okay, GU is retracing, guys. Told you, picking that daily support liquidity coming up to the hourly. All right. Let's take a peek on NASDAQ too. Just want to see real quick. Set that alarm right around here. Okay, and then we will take a peek quickly at NASDAQ. Okay, so NASDAQ pushing right back down. If we break that 4-hour support, guys, like I tell you, it's coming back down to the daily. It has a lot of momentum to do this. Okay, a little bit of a structural support. And then further to the left, guys, you can see we have a nice little bounce. Okay, so we'll just focus on here for about 2 minutes, guys. Show the industry some love. Okay, you can see they are holding support here. My man Stan1 Mahid. Some idiotic YouTube channel is trying to place trades during 9:30, 10 a.m. New York time. What idiots. How do you guys feel about that one, considering everyone comes to this channel for that type of trading? I think it's up to you guys. Write it in there. Okay, you can see NASDAQ is pushing to the upside here. All right, getting that nice support level. Let's take a peek at gold. Pushing that 1851. Okay. Okay, so back in that indecision, guys. Remember that 1850. Give it about 5 seconds here. The candle's about to close, guys. The next one's going to open. Okay, nice rejection here. Candle is closing below the 4 hour. Okay, so this is acting as nice resistance now. I'm just going to erase this long top wick up here, clean up the chart just a tad. Okay. No, flat coin, I don't think so. You can see it's been bullish. Okay, so let's watch. Coming to that critical level, guys. Long bottom wick at 45, and then we have a top wick pushing. We're in that indecision type of move right now. Okay. Rate hovering in and around 4 hour support. Okay. So let's take a peek now. Let's go take a look at GU starting to push, drop 15 pips, and you can see now right at the overall potential entry here. Okay. A nice move here, 3-bar play. A nice continued sell-off potentially happening at the same entry. So we'll watch and see here. Just going to set up one more. I just want to see an price flag. Okay, slowly but surely creeping up, guys. There's still volume based on these here. Okay, so we're coming up to nice potential level here, holding. Okay, let's just see what's going on with gold real quick. Okay, we'll take a peek at Goldie here, 1852, starting to push. Okay, so nice momentum, guys. A little bit slower today. Remember that we have to get through this previous wick to the left. Okay, need to have that continued push. If I told you, if it breaks at 1852, she's going up to there it is, guys. That 1852 break starting to slowly push. Okay, here's that wick, that neckline right here. Okay. Okay, don't get greedy here, guys. Shave some off. All right, from that 1852, I told you guys I was taking some buys here. I'm going to secure some of this. All right, you can see it's slowly having a little bit of indecision push back down. We did make a high. Okay, GU's getting some rejection too at that hourly support. Okay, so we can go back there in about 2 seconds, guys. Just want to see here. guys, sorry, one sec. Okay, so you can see now, guys, that 1852, a lot of resistance coming in here at near the daily. Okay, you can see right across, nice resistance area here. Okay, you can see daily push down. So if we tap here, guys, you got to be ready to secure. So secure now. You can see the low bottom wick. This wick right here has not broken through the preceding wick to the left. Okay, so this is about turning into a weak close. All right, price can still have a little bit maybe of a retracement push for the push overall continuation. All right, but again, you can see these candles are closing very weak. If you guys understand weak closes, right, we need this wick or the next candle to start to break above this wick over here to the left. All right, if not, you're going to get a push right back down, 4-hour support. Okay, and then eventually coming back down on the hourly and filling this wick. So give it a little bit of time here. I'm just telling you to watch. I'm not telling you to close the trade. I'm just telling you to watch this overall candlestick, the way it's going to close. The next one's open. Okay, patience. Okay, you can still see, guys, at that critical point here. They're trying to, about a minute left. Okay, you can see now, remember we talked about these weak closes here, getting a little bit of push down back to that 1852 entry point. So if you guys didn't take, you can see the resistance is still acting very strong here. Okay, so 2 seconds, guys. Sorry, just under, 45 seconds. All right, let's take a watch and see. You can see that GU, guys, retraced too. Okay, so looking at that 1850 area again, let's watch. Okay, New Year's the new candle, guys. So you can see getting some resistance here, starting to float. All right, in and out. Okay, so just monitor, guys, coming into that 5 minutes for the new hourly 4-hour candle. Let's take a peek at GU, guys, NASDAQ as well. Okay, see gold is starting to slowly retrace here. Okay, coming back down to that 4-hour support. So we'll watch and see if we're going to get a bounce or if it's going to flush right through back down to that 1850. GU, I have a feeling sold off. Yep. Okay, pushing right back up now from that 15-minute support. Okay, so let's watch and see if this will be a neckline here per the potential push to the upside. Okay, I'm looking for a 5-minute hourly support break and for the overall continuation possibly up here. Okay, if not, they're going to hold back below. You can see a strong sell candle here. They're going to push it back below 15-minute support. Okay, and start to push right back down to the 30-minute. So two possible options, guys. Okay, gold is getting a nice little move here, guys. Still floating, 1852.6. So still holding so far. The wick is now third wick below previous structure. Okay. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, so holding strong and true here. The wicks are still closing below, guys. So I want to see how this current candle closes. Okay, so the nice rejection, guys, 15 minutes is starting to hold now. I want to see how this current 1 minute closes. Okay, NASDAQ is still in indecision here too. You can see gold is starting to really push down now. Give it a little bit of time here. Current candle is going to open up the new 4-hour. Okay, nice little bounce here. Strong trend on NASDAQ. Remember we talked about the downtrend here. Nothing has even came close to breaking bullish. Okay, that's the overall trade that I'm looking for potential pull. Okay, if not, we're still going to hold the overall trend here. Okay, so let's check out GU. Okay, GU holding, nice level of push. Okay, here's the new 4-hour candle, guys. So give it 5 minutes. Let's see how the momentum is going to switch or if it's going to continue, okay? The continuation, guys, is a trend of bullish movement, okay? Higher time frame. The continuation sells is short term, all right? Okay. Let's take a peek at gold too. Getting down to that 1851.5. Okay. Heavy indecision, guys. A lot of low volume here. Okay. Let's just monitor both accordingly. Give it the first 5 minutes, and then we'll watch and see the overall push movement leading into that 9:15. Okay. Let's take a look, see what we got going on US 30. Okay, guys, 5 more legs and we'll do the dirty 30 here. I definitely see some consolidation, not feeling the love right now on gold. Okay, heavy consolidation here, hovering around that 1852.5 area. Okay, so hovering 5 pips, still in that 52 mark, what I mentioned. Okay, I'm looking for price to start to shoot up here, but we need to start to break these preceding wicks, guys. There we go. We're getting a little bit of volume here. Let's see if we can get a close above. If you look on the hourly, guys, okay, if you look on the hourly, why I'm looking bullish is you got to look at the overall structure picture here. It's an inverse head and shoulder pattern, okay? Shoulder, head, shoulder here, potential push, okay? If not, we're going to get rejected at that daily, guys, and shoot right back down and fill this wick to the bottom here, okay? Okay, see how it's tapping supply now, guys? It just tapped. All right, you can see from 52, it's still holding. Nothing has broke below. Okay, as I'm still watching this key level right here, I have a small runner, okay? 0.1 just to test to see if we're going to get a nice little break on gold. Okay, so let's take a peek on NASDAQ, guys, coming in. I just wanted to watch the first 5 minutes on gold. It is at a critical level, okay? If we break here, it's going to shoot. If we get rejected, it's going to dump. Okay, NASDAQ right at a critical 4-hour support again. Okay, nice downtrend momentum still continuing. Okay, so here's the first 5 minutes, guys, went through here. You can see NASDAQ is bouncing off the support. All right, you can see gold is still holding pretty strong. GU, guys, is flipping bearish. Okay, it's getting some nice resistance here. Same with gold, guys. I don't think they're going to break. It's still about 10 pips running from 1852, but you can start to see that they're coming into that daily supply here. All right, so I still have that runner running. Okay, I'm going to leave it. All right, I just want to see if we can tap the overall higher time and break this resistance here. If not, it'll cut, and then it's just a small little loss. Okay, but I want to see GU especially too. And then we already have 500 likes, guys, so there's no rush to head over into US 30. We will get it done. Okay, GU, guys, nice indecision. So if we get this resistance level here, you can see the support is turning to resistance now. If it gets another long wick here rejected, I think that we can start to smash, probably breaking that 15-minute support and the daily here, guys. Okay, two critical levels, okay, can be broken leading into the overall continuation. But again, remember that 5-minute trend is still holding nice and strong. Okay, gold is starting to push, guys. 1853.2, you can see slowly but surely it's testing, guys. It's testing that key water right here. Okay, she breaks this 53, she's going to at least 55. Okay, remember we talked about an inverse head and shoulder pattern here. Okay, big moves, guys, coming up. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm running about 10 pips, guys. Okay, I don't even care if it's going to get nice rejection here. They're starting to make higher highs. I'm securing some. Okay, I'm swiping about 90% off the table. I'm going to leave it here. I don't like this chop. Okay, it's too choppy for me. All right, when we can chart something else leading into the market open here. All right. So from there, it ran about 20 pips, guys. Ran about 20 pips. And you can see still another retracement, but I like the wick right here. Okay, the wick, although it's getting pushed down, it has made a high. Okay, so that's the key, what I'm looking for when we have continuations. Okay, so let's now head over, check out GU as well one more time. Okay, there's GU, guys. So now we're coming to that critical downtrend area here. Okay, this is the critical point where if price breaks above, you can see we're breaking above this downtrend. If they're going to hold below, it's holding below that hourly. All right, so in about probably 5 minutes, we're going to take a look and do US 30 top down. Okay, everything is kind of choppy right here. The moves happen, guys, right at 8:20, leading before 8:30, and ever since after that, it's nice choppy action here. What are you guys' thoughts on GBP USD? Do you guys think GU gonna go bullish or bearish here? Sorry guys, I need some aqua in me, some liquid, get a little bit of mouth dry. It's the best. I love it. As soon as I say that, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Okay, let's take a peek at NASDAQ too. This is the new candle open here, guys. 910. That's what I wanted to see. Okay. Okay, GU starting to push. Gold is still pushing, guys, pushing to 1854 almost. GU is getting a nice little push, okay, but the rejection is still happening at the overall number. It's a downtrend coming into the resistance. So at 9:15, guys, we'll do US 30 here. We'll just monitor both GU and gold, okay. If this breaks, guys, it's an ascending, okay, double bottom break, okay. Neckline is right here, all right. Okay, a lot of rejection here, guys. Okay, so guys, 912 here. Let's take a peek at gold too. Still a little bit indecision right now. Currently at 1853.3. It's very slow here, guys. That's why I started a little bit later. I knew the market was going to be a tad slow. All right, nothing you can do. Okay, so 3 rejection points here coming into that daily supply. So eventually, I think they're going to probably retrace it back down, maybe the 4-hour support, before having a nice little option to pick it up again, unless they want to break it down, which you can see that will be the level to do so, breaking that 4-hour. They've already done it once before. Okay, there's GU, guys, slowly starting to get near that wick. Okay, so we just started to break that wick and the high, getting rejected at that resistance now, okay? Okay, guys, it's pushing right now. Same with gold is back hovering around that 1853. GU's ready to rock. So if it breaks that 5 minute, she's coming up. Okay, she's making a move. That's what we're looking for here. Potential break. Okay, continuation and a retest push move. There it is, guys. I'm running about 10 pips. I got rated on that neckline break right there. So watch and see. Goldie is pushing to 1854 too. Nice move on gold. Okay, there's gold, guys. Nice push. All right, remember we're looking for an inverse head and shoulder pattern here. They picked, oh, there it is, guys. I'm in that. Oh, fuck yeah. That's it. Did you guys grab that from 52, guys? That thing ran about 40 pips. I'm going to secure some of this, leave the runner again. Okay, so just watch now. They're retesting the daily. Remember we talked about that hourly inverse head and shoulder pattern. Okay, we're going to see if it's going to come to play here. Okay, see that's where we tapped to previous resistance. Okay, 52 all the way up to almost 56. Okay, remember we talked about 55 coming to the higher time. Now you can see heavy resistance, guys. So just secure, secure, secure. I think they can push it back up here. This is going to flip into maybe a demand. So we'll watch and see. If not, they're just going to start to slowly push this back down like I started to before. And you can see becoming right back down to break even. All right. So let's take a peek at GU, guys. It's 9:15. Okay. We're going to head over and we're going to look at whatchamacallit, US 30. Absolutely. So you can see GU came to the same resistance point. Okay, so holding that retest now. Let's head over, guys. We're going to do US 30. All right. We'll monitor this accordingly. I want to see if GU is going to continue. Okay, getting a nice rejection coming in. Do the dirty 30 here. Okay, this is why I didn't really focus on US 30 either. Similar to NASDAQ, as you can see, heavy rejection here. NASDAQ, okay, we'll show back in 2 seconds here. You can see clear resistance coming into that 30-minute. I'm just going to erase this. That's the overall trend before. Okay, so if you got in before, you're still hovering, guys. If you probably closed, you can still see it's showing nice signs of resistance. So let's head back. Start with US 30, guys. We'll go on the daily top down. Okay, daily, and then we're going to look for some supply here to the left. Yusuf, I am currently with you on that. Been in since a little lower. Okay. So guys, nice resistance here coming at the daily. Okay, going to gather my daily support now coming in. You can see it's pretty strong here at this level. Okay, looking for now 4 hour here. Okay, just do a quick little update at the previous structure. Looking good. All right. Looking for now some 4 hour support. All right. I'm going to gather it right down here. Okay, looking for my 4 hour resistance, which is coming in pretty straightforward. Okay, and now we're going to take a peek at the hourly. Look at the retracement we have here for both US 30 and very similar to NASDAQ too. Okay, you can see that we have nice formation support on the hourly. Okay, and we have nice resistance coming in here on the 1 hour. Okay, I'm going to make sure that we get some nice SNR right in this general area here, but I want to trap and gap it to see the overall direction, guys. Okay, look at US 30, still massively from overall rejection coming from the high. You can see the daily resistance held too, and now we're making lower lows and lower highs. Lower low, lower high. Lower low, lower high. Okay. Okay, so let's watch and see here. If we start to break here, guys, the hourly, it can push right back down to the overall daily. Okay, so 30 minutes pretty much good. I see a little bit of rejection coming right from above the overall impulse break. Okay, and let's take a peek now at the 15. Okay, support. Haven't looked at gold so far, guys. We'll just finish this up here coming in, and now we're going to get some 15-minute rejection here. Okay. Okay, let's go from the 5 now. Okay, this is beautiful, guys. Trapping gap scenario coming in. Okay, nice imbalance push and pulls, leading it to the overall maybe potential downtrend, continuing this overall bear move. Okay, so let's watch. Okay, so let's just go check out everything else here. I'm just going to set some alarms. And then we'll set some alarms looking here. Take a peek at GU. Okay, still holding here above that hourly support. Still nice rejection candle here, but it did not engulf. Okay, so if it does not break through, okay, this it's resistance now. Okay, if it doesn't break through, watch for a bounce coming off here. Okay, bounce off the 5-minute trend. I'm going to break through that overall downtrend. Okay, going to delete it. You can see we had a massive impulse move here coming past the hourly. Okay, so watch for the retest, and we're going to see if we're going to get a potential continuation here. Okay, so let's go check out gold too. Back at 1853.7, guys. So still moving up, still holding above that daily. Okay, nice parallel here. You can see trend break. We're going to see if we can maybe get another one here. Okay, and we'll check out NASDAQ as well. Okay, so NASDAQ, you can see it's still floating, hovering. All right, nice support level here at the 5. Okay, around 12,645. All right, so they do not let it, they do not want it to break below there right now. Okay, so let's just watch and see. Okay, so that's what I want to see right there. Okay. Cool, guys. About 5 minutes here. What do you guys want to do? Do you want to do US 30 or NASDAQ here? Gold is starting to pull back. let's make it vote, guys. Make a vote here, put it in there. Okay, you can see gold is now retesting that overall demand. Okay, from daily resistance. Okay, GU is starting to float, guys. US 30 just tapped. Okay, so we'll monitor both of these key areas right here. Okay, US 30 is flipping bullish, guys. Okay, check the move. Tapping the 15-minute. All right, so we're just slowly starting to break above. You can still see the trend is holding strong. Okay, so just break. Okay, guys, we're going to do probably US 30 for today. Bents, that would be, yeah, I just saw that one come in too. That would be general target for the overall continuation. All right. Okay, guys, choppy markets equal just sitting and waiting. Okay, we got about 3 minutes left, guys. We're going to focus on this instrument here. This is the news, guys. This is what we're dealing with all day today. Okay, you can see there's nothing to really push the market. All right, it's kind of an indecision, floating, hovering day. All right, you can see there's nothing. We have news here, but nothing to really impact the market like we've had in the past. Okay, tomorrow you can see impactful news will be 7:45 a.m. All right, and then you can see we have 11 a.m. as well. US, because it's Thursday, we'll have the unemployment claims rolling. Okay, but these are the types of folders that are going to get the market moving. You can see right now it's just algo trading, just in and out, in and out. Okay, so let's just watch and see how price is going to go. We got about 3 minutes till the market opens, guys. All right, that'll be 9:30 New York stock. Okay. Okay, so let's just make a note right here. So if new, do not trade 9:30 a.m. New York stock open. Okay, you want to wait at least maybe 5, 10, whatever you like, 15 minutes and watch. Okay, use only 1%, guys. It's up to you though. I don't really care what you use. Okay, I'm not managing your account. You guys, I have a lot of people who I see Lambo lots going in and it just surprises me, but again, everyone each their own. Okay, then use stop loss and trailing stop when applicable. Okay, so guys, got about under a minute here until the market opens. All right, let's take a look at the overall direction here on the hourly. Let's see what we can get. Okay, this looks bearish so far. Okay, you can see the move right here. If we move that down, I don't know why that gathered there, my bad. You can see if we move that down, okay, it's looking pretty bearish, but can hold some support. Okay, so let's just watch and see how this is going to make the move on the 5. Okay, here we go, guys. The impulse break pushing right now, currently, right before. Here is the New York Open, guys. Okay, NASDAQ is flipping, guys, in and out. If we start to break this trend right here, okay, and we flip and drop below this hourly support, guys, US 30 can come back down and tap the daily here. So let's watch and see. Okay, gold is still right around that daily. Okay, still getting a little bit of resistance, a lot of top down rejection here. Okay, US 30 is now tapping, guys. You can see it slowly selling off with erratic drop movement here for continuation in the sells. There it is, guys. Grab some pips here. Don't get greedy. Might not tap all the way. Okay, so we got about 3 minutes here. Okay, 3 minutes, guys. They're starting to pick liquidity a little back up. You can see to the left. All right. The overall daily support is where they picked it up, having nice liquidity starting to push. Okay, guys, but you can still see momentum is starting to hold. Hourly break coming back down to the daily. We got to get that nice continued push. Okay, so the new candle can open up and retest that hourly. Okay, so let's just monitor and see. There's about 2 minutes, just under 3 minutes here. Okay. Okay, there we go. There it is, guys. Nice drop here. Okay, you can see that tapped, but you can see now the rejection and starting to wick back up. Okay, so don't get greedy here. Okay, so new candle is going to open up at about 1:19 here. Status Guru. Making this chat very difficult for a lot of people. I'm going to put you in the corner. You're in timeout. Okay, guys, so if you guys got that drop, impulse move, okay, you can see would have been around 40-50 pip drop. Okay, from that zone, hourly break down to the support. You can still see it starting to push. Okay, just under 30 seconds, guys. If you're in this US 30 sell, secure when you can. Do not get greedy on this. They can push price right back up. Okay, I was in on it. I secured. Okay, I'm waiting for the next trade now. All right. Okay, so secure down there. Now we're watching this hourly support level, maybe looking to push back up. So watch this current candle. You can see hourly starting to hold. Okay, a little bit of indecision starting to push both different ways here. Okay, so still continuing down. Okay, NASDAQ is just flipping bullish, guys. We'll watch and see here. I want to see US 30. It's giving you multiple opportunities to secure, guys. Okay, so US 30 is still selling off. Okay, holding that trend, guys. There's the sell, guys. There's the continued dump. Beautiful on US 30 here. Beautiful. Okay, so multiple sells. Okay, multiple sells right here. You give you multiple opportunities to start to secure. If they don't hold here, guys, this thing's going to flip and you're going to start to see this thing push. Okay, if it doesn't, you're going to start to see it continue and start to flip this way, holding that hourly support. Okay. Okay, so let's watch here. Let it play out, guys. I'm not flipping to NASDAQ. It's going to confuse a lot of people. Okay. Okay, so you can see nice demand in here. So if we break that, guys, we got to get a nice continuation. Okay, if not, like I said, they're going to flip right above that 15-minute and hold. Okay, guys, GU's running. For everyone just freaking out on GU, guys, it's still pushing up. I'm running about 9 pips, $90 on GU. Yeah, you guys are freaking out here. So this is the critical point. If it doesn't reject here, guys, or sorry, if it rejects here, it can start to fill this wick. If not, it's going to start to push to the upside, but this thing is looking beautiful right now. Okay, let's take a peek back at US 30. Okay, multiple rejections, guys. Here comes the flip. Oh, there's GU, guys. Beautiful on GBP. Just as we flip, look at this, guys. Told you, double bottom break for the continuation. This is a big move. Guys, for everyone having that buy stop, you guys should be running in that hard. 10 pips, guys. Watch the move now. Okay, NASDAQ is pumping, guys. Got a nice little alert in the group here. 2,700. Let's see if we can get that big push past. Okay, nice rejection here. Okay, so key double top. Starting to float back down. Okay, so we'll watch and see how it's going to move right into this consolidation. Hey, still holding that trend here, getting that double top resistance, guys. So this is same probably going to happen on US 30. So we're just going to mark a supply zone here. Okay, and we're going to monitor accordingly. Okay, so you can see heavy rejection coming in on NAS. Let's take a peek at US 32. Gold is back at 1855, 54 area, still hovering, very slow momentum move, but it's still holding above. Remember, we talked about that daily. Okay. And GU is still flying, guys, right now. Still pumping up. Going to tap the 4-hour here. Looking for the overall push continuation. I'm up 20 pips, 200. I got him from 25391. Okay, 25391 coming up right around in here. Right at this bullish break, went into drawdown and still up running 20 pips. Okay. Okay, we'll watch. As soon as we tap here, guys, that Discord, okay, that's running about 15 pips. So we'll add an alarm there. And we're going to check out NASDAQ and US 30 again. Okay. Indecision, guys. This is too choppy for me. All right, that's why I'm watching some other stuff. Okay. There's nothing much anyone can do about the indices being market open like this. There is absolutely nothing that we can do. Okay. Let's take a peek now at NASDAQ real quick. Okay, look at this long wick, guys. Okay. Okay, GBP just tapped, guys. We'll take a peek. Massive bullish move here. You guys should be eating on that. Okay, we had a buy stop from 25450. Okay, I'll post that in the group. GU, we had 2 trades here that were pretty nice. Okay, 25450. Okay, and now you can see it's slowly starting to run. Overall continuation is bullish. It ran about 16 pips. Okay, I'll post that in the group, in the FX group, so you guys can see we had GU running on sells and then we caught the buys. All right. Shout out to the admins on the Discord for working this during New York Open. Okay. Okay, so secure, guys. You can see it's coming to a double top. Okay, we do have a long bottom wick right here, so just get ready. Anything can happen. 15 pips is more than enough, guys. Don't get greedy, okay? Okay, so let's take a peek now at gold here, still hovering. Okay, getting a little bit of trend momentum. All right, gold is really showing exhaustion here. Okay, you can see the multiple attempts of sells coming in. Let's take a peek at NASDAQ too. Okay, insane volatility coming in, and this is why, guys. Where's that US 30? We were watching US 30 here. Okay, just flip over to NASDAQ to show you both, but you can see US. Read. Don't trade 9:30. Watch, wait 5, 10, 15 minutes and watch. Okay, use only 1% and then use stop loss and trailing stop when applicable. Okay. Okay, gold just had a massive dump, guys. So GU, I assume, can follow. There's US 30 looking to break. Let's take a peek at NASDAQ, guys. US 30 showing great signs right here. Okay, NASDAQ is a little bit indecision, still holding that resistance level. Guys, if we break this 4-hour resistance here, she's coming back up. This momentum was what we wanted to see all day. Okay, nice bullish break. 4 hours, the target now. If we break this, guys, we can start to flush looking up. Remember, I told you right here, above the 15-minute, starting to get in some buys. NASDAQ is flying too. Okay, both US 30 and NASDAQ are flying. That's from that 33,000, 32,988 mark. Okay. Okay, guys, so you can see this thing is flying. Okay, guys, I'm in 2 NASDAQ buys here. Like, I'm not even, I'm watching US 30, but I'm in NASDAQ from 12,700. Okay, and this thing is just pumping right now. About 20 pips. Okay, there it goes, guys. There it is. Okay, we had a buy stop at 12,700. You can see that thing's running about 34 pips. I'm up 230 bucks on that, and the thing is running. The website's fixed right now, guys. You can join whatever you want to do. Look at that, guys. Big move, 2,700. Looking at 50 pip buy. I'm up 330 bucks right now, and we're continuing, guys. Look at this. Anyone in NASDAQ with me? US 30, whatever the frick it is, who cares? What are you guys in? This thing is a push. We're at about 60 pips, guys. Secure when you can, guys. This thing is pushing. I'm good. I secured. I'm out. Big move, guys. 2,700. I'll post the friggin' thing in the group so you guys can see. Don't get greedy. Please secure now. Okay, please secure now. Okay, guys, gonna stay for about maybe 5 more minutes. Naya, if you can't register, you buy it on your phone. Okay, probably. Oh, if you're using an iPhone, I don't have an answer for you. More than probably half our people have one. So refresh your browser, do it incognito mode, try it like that. Okay, let's take a look at US 30. Okay, there's US 30, guys, following that overall suit. Look at that big move. 15-minute support level. You can see here that thing ran. If you guys held US 30, guys, that thing is closing for about 99, 100 pips. That's a big move. Okay, that's a very big move. Okay, so let's take a peek at NASDAQ too. Still holding, breaking above that daily, guys. So they needed that hourly. You remember supply zones here. Okay, this is key, guys. The force that they have to break these key levels is strong. And look at the size of this candle right here. Okay, that's a big move. That is a very, very, very big move, guys, on that. So look to, secure, partial, secure what it is. I'm pretty much done. Okay, for the day. Let's take a look at US 30, NASDAQ, GU and gold. GU is still holding up, guys, getting a little bit of rejection here, pushing back down, but still holding that strong 25550. All right. GU is still looking bullish, guys. I'm still running now with a small lot, 0.1. Okay, now we're going to take a look at gold here, right back down to 52. All right. So look at that big sell-off here, retracement. All right, you can see that's bouncing off the 50 line, holding that support level. Gold is going to push, probably back, maybe engulf this previous candlestick. If not, it's going to hold that daily resistance and push right back down. Okay. NASDAQ is flying too, guys, back again. Okay, flying in the retracement. Wick closed below previous wick, and now you're getting the push back down, probably back to interim supply here. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it. All right, looking good so far. Guys, if you have any questions about wanting to join us, okay, stocksnetworktrading.com. All right, up top right here, guys, different languages. We transform into 100 different languages. Okay, all text. All right, it's not voice. Okay, you can see we have multiple things across the top here. Just scroll the calendar. You can see one-on-one live sessions, economic calendar here. Okay, this is what we go through. Tokyo sessions is our webinars. Okay, and more education part. All right, you can see London we have in 17 hours. New York we're currently live right now. All right, guys, here's the key thing that I wanted to mention to you today. We are launching the boot camp. Okay, this is the first time you're going to hear about it. We'll post an official post very soon. We're going to do it from the end of the month. Okay, the current dates are June 27th to July 1st. Okay, that's going to be a 5-day time period where we're going to go over some strategies, some different methods. It's going to be a whole boot camp. We'll lay out and we'll post a situation in the FX group and across all our social media platform. Guys, the only way you get in there is if you join one of these plans, okay, and you have to be an active member up to that. If not, you will be removed and without doubt. Okay, so let's check out now, guys, what we have currently below. Okay, 4 pillars. Okay, and these are our live sessions here. Monday through Friday we do private London. We had it today. We do private New York, private in the Zoom, live on YouTube. Okay, and then you can see we have some educational stuff at the bottom. All right, let's now go to the bottom here. That's how you get in touch, guys. Give us 12 to 48 hours to respond. If there are issues, we will be in touch. You just have to give us time. We have a lot of people who are helping us, and we get a lot of emails. All right. So cool, guys. All right. Any questions? Send us an email. If not, we're going to go from there. We're going to end the streams. Hope everyone has a great day. We'll resume accordingly, and see you guys tomorrow. All right. Later.
Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.
Guys, just FYI, NASDAQ's running about 80 pips.